In manufacturing, decisions delayed are opportunities lost. Yet most organizations are still operating on data that's hours or sometimes days behind. Manufacturing runs on data, but most of it is locked in systems that don't talk to each other. Your ops team is pulling numbers from one place, finance from another, and leadership is still waiting on a report someone's building in Excel. By the time decisions get made, you're already behind. Lumenore connects your ERP, MES, your supply chain, your financials, and puts it in one view that actually makes sense. So everyone, from the plant floor to the C-suite, is working with the same data. Track production performance in real time. Spot downtime, bottlenecks, and yield issues before they become a real problem. Know exactly your inventory, what materials you have, what's on order, and what could hold up the line so you're never unprepared. And leadership gets a full picture across every facility without chasing plant managers for updates. Want to see what that looks like inside your operation? Book a demo at lumenore.com.